Yeah, this is, you can see right here. I mean, you can see better at different arms. Okay, this is ulnaris flexor. This is extensor ulnaris, carpi ulnaris. This is palmaris longus. And under there, they're flexor digitorum muscles. That's flexor digitorum muscle. Yeah.
Which one's that?
Radialis, yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. Flexor carpi radialis.
Okay.
See how important it is to get minor, pectoralis major. That looks pretty good. Pecta antebrachialis.
Wait, which one was this one? I'm sorry.
That's the xiphi humoralis.
What about the caudal femoralis? Does it have to open it?
It's back here. One of the glutes. You can't see anything yet. See the soleus and the gastrocnemius. What's that?
Biceps. No.
Biceps femoralis. Good.